I heard that chickens like hay, so let's go put that to the test. I decided to test giving my chickens a bale of hay as enrichment, but honestly, it turned into an enrichment for them and a full body workout for me because getting that bale out felt like competing on a farm version of Survivor. Eventually, after my hit session, I dragged it into the coop. I was skeptical, but the second I opened their door, they ran straight for it. Some jumped on top of it, others started pecking and digging like they were searching for treasure. I didn't even cut the strings off because I forgot scissors, and they still thought it was the best thing ever. So, tried and true, if you're looking for a cheap, easy way to entertain your flock, a hay bale might be the move. Follow along to learn more about farm animals.